वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः।
I am Vasudeva of the Vrishnis, Dhananjaya of the Pandavas, also of sages I am Vyasa, of poets the seer Ushana. This verse is fantastic because he's talking about the himself, he's talking about the person he's talking to, Dhananjaya Arjuna. He's referring to Vyasa, the person who composed this whole thing. What it communicates is perfect objectivity. He's not egoistic. He's not just praising Arjuna. He's totally objective. In other words, the capacity to view yourself like anybody else is a wonderful capacity which children have. Children don't have this mine and yours. Not yet. So they're so pure. Even the most troublesome child is so attractive because he's free from this yours and mine concept. He doesn't give himself any more importance than anybody else. Totally objective. It's like Swami Ramatirtha when he was lecturing in America. If you read his book, In Woods of God Realization, every lecture he addresses his audiences as my own self in the form of ladies and gentlemen. What identification. When you look at everyone as yourself first, it's a fantastic state to be in. As against that, you look at people, disgust, contempt, right? When you're driving on the roads of Mumbai, every other motorist is a competitor. Get him, drive past him, overtake him, finish him off. Then very soon your own family members become competitors. So, what does he say? Vrishnis are the descendant of Vrishni, who belong to the Yadava clan, and Krishna is one of the most outstanding members of this Yadava clan. Vasudeva was the great-grandson of Vrishni and Krishna's father. Therefore, Krishna was referred to as Vasudeva. So he says, among all the Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva. Meaning what? He's referring to himself. Then he says, of the Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya, Arjuna was the most dynamic, was most open to this knowledge. What is interesting is the other four Pandavas were equally righteous. In fact, Yudhishthir was considered Dharmaraja, one step above Arjuna. Most virtuous, very moral, but they were not open to this knowledge. Therefore, it is that Arjuna was selected to receive this knowledge. And he refers to him as Dhananjaya. All of us are that, Dhananjaya. All of you are experts at acquiring wealth, right? That is why you're in the commercial capital of this country. But how about delving into the wealth within you? That's one step higher. And once you get to the wealth within, the wealth of the world will come at your feet. You don't need to seek it. I am Vyasa among the Munis. Munis are introverted people absorbed in the scriptures who came up. Whatever they said was gospel. Among them, he says, I am Vyasa because he has the special status of being the first guru. He is revered as the first guru. That is why the entire Guru Purnima is devoted to the sage Vyasa. I am Ushana among Kavis. Kavis were seers, again enlightened souls. But the difference is they came up with sheer poetry. You see this. Anyone who has reached the state of enlightenment, whatever they say is not just ethical, but it's highly aesthetic. Aesthetics and ethics go together. So if you are not aesthetic, the fundamental thing is you must have some idea of aesthetics. The other day I happened to be in a shop and a lady was seeing a fabric which had every color under the sun. Gaudy, it actually hurt your eyes. And you wonder, so how can anyone even consider wearing something like that? Aesthetics must be there. You go back into Indian culture, every little thing, you look into nature first of all. Nothing in nature is gaudy. They're bright, vibrant colors. You go to the Valley of Flowers, you go anywhere in the world, you will never find a gaudy landscape, do you? Or a gaudy flower. It is only the human being who mucks up everything. Why? Because this internal impurity manifests as confusion outside, in gaudiness. So that's what it is. Kavis were aesthetic and ethical, well versed in Vedic truths. And Ushana, the son of Bhrigu, earlier he referred to Bhrigu, now he's talking about Ushana, was among the best among them. So he goes on talking about the best. Next verse.